Picture this: the holiday season is supposed to be filled with joy, twinkling lights, and cozy gatherings with loved ones. But for many, it's overshadowed by relentless sneezing, itchy eyes, and asthma attacks that turn festive moments into frustrating ordeals. The good news: with some smart preparation, you can keep those allergies and asthma symptoms at bay and truly savor the celebrations. Dr. Cherie Zachary, President of the American College of Allergy, Asthma and Immunology, ACAAI, shares practical advice to help you navigate the season without letting health hiccups steal the show. Let's dive in and discover how a bit of foresight can make all the difference, and yes, we'll touch on some tips that might surprise you. But here's where it gets controversial. Is it fair to say that holiday stress is just as much a trigger as dust or pollen? Many experts link emotional overload to worsen symptoms, but some folks argue it's all in our heads. What do you think? Should we prioritize mental health as aggressively as we do environmental triggers? Stick around as we explore this and more, because understanding the full picture can empower you to take control. As Zachary points out in a recent news release, the holidays offer a fantastic chance to reconnect with family and friends, yet they often introduce unforeseen allergens and irritants that can aggravate allergies or asthma. A few practical steps can make all the difference for a healthy and comfortable celebration, she emphasizes. With that in mind, the ACAAI recommends 5 key strategies to stay ahead of potential flare-ups. We'll break them down step by step, adding some beginner-friendly explanations and examples to make it easy for everyone to follow. First, get proactive about holiday travel. Traveling during the season means encountering dust, germs, and allergens in places like airplanes, hotels, and even relatives' homes. For instance, if you're flying, take a moment to wipe down surfaces like tray tables, armrests, and seatbelts with disinfectant wipes to reduce exposure to common triggers. If you're staying overnight away from home, bring along allergy-proof covers for pillows and mattresses to create a safe sleeping zone. And don't forget to pack your essentials. Keep medications such as inhalers, epinephrine autoinjectors, and antihistamines in your carry-on bag for quick access. This simple habit can prevent a minor irritation from escalating into a full-blown episode. Imagine catching a flight only to realize you forgot your inhaler. Preparation like this saves the day. Next, stay vigilant during holiday meals. Festive feasts are a highlight of the season, but many dishes hide allergens like nuts, dairy, or gluten. When attending a potluck, restaurant outing, or family dinner, politely inquire about ingredients and possible cross-contamination. For example, ask if the kitchen uses shared utensils for dishes with common allergens. If you're not confident in the answers, bring a safe dish you know you can enjoy, like a homemade salad with ingredients you are familiar with. For those with severe allergies, always have 2 doses of epinephrine on hand as a precaution. This tip is crucial because cross-contamination can happen unexpectedly, turning a joyous meal into a medical emergency, and this is the part most people miss, as they assume hosts will know, but it's better to ask and double-check. Managing stress is another vital component, especially since the holidays can be both exciting and exhausting. The rush of planning, shopping, and socializing releases stress hormones that might worsen allergy and asthma symptoms, making your body more reactive to triggers. Zachary advises incorporating downtime into your schedule. Practice deep breathing exercises, try mindfulness apps for a few minutes a day, or ensure you're getting enough sleep. These actions support your immune system and help stabilize your respiratory health, acting like a buffer against flare-ups. For beginners, think of it as tuning your mental state to strengthen your physical defenses. Skipping relaxation might seem harmless, but it could amplify symptoms during peak season. And this is where it gets controversial. While some swear by these mental health practices, others dismiss stress as a soft factor compared to physical allergens. Is emotional well-being underrated in allergy management? We'd love to hear your take in the comments. Protecting yourself from cold air is equally important. Cold weather, common during outdoor activities like holiday shopping, travel, or even shoveling snow, can trigger asthma by irritating your airways. To counter this, wrap a scarf around your nose and mouth, or wear a mask to warm the incoming air before it reaches your lungs. Additionally, be mindful of temperature swings. Moving from chilly outdoors to heated indoor spaces can cause rapid changes that provoke symptoms. This is a game changer for those living in colder climates. Without it, a quick errand could leave you wheezing. But here's where it gets tricky. Masks are great for protection, yet some argue they make social interactions awkward during celebrations. Do the benefits outweigh the social drawbacks? Share your opinions below. Finally, handle decorations with care. Holiday ornaments, lights, and trees stored in damp areas like basements, attics, or garages often harbor dust and mold, which are notorious allergens. Unpack them in a well-ventilated space, or even outdoors to minimize spreading spores. Wipe down hard surfaces with a damp cloth before bringing them inside, and consider wearing a mask during the process if you're prone to reactions. If mold is a concern, opt for an artificial tree over a real one to avoid hidden fungi. For live trees, give them a good shake and rinse with water outside before placing them indoors. This precaution can prevent an otherwise innocuous tradition from becoming a symptom starter. And yes, the debate rages on: are artificial trees cheating the holiday spirit, or a smarter choice for allergy sufferers? We are curious about your views. For more in-depth guidance, check out resources like the Mayo Clinic's page on allergies, which delves into symptoms and causes. Remember, these tips are from experts at ACAAI, but consulting your own doctor for personalized advice is always wise. By planning ahead, you can enjoy the holidays fully, without letting allergies or asthma dictate the festivities. What strategies have worked for you? Do you agree that stress plays a big role, or is it just physical triggers? Disagree with using artificial trees? Let's discuss in the comments. Your experiences could help others.